everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng version ko ng chicken parsley. So without further ado guys, let's get started! Ngayon guys, umpisahan na natin ang ating pag-prepare ng ating iluluto ngayon. So, umpisahan natin sa pag-chop ng ating chicken and paghugas ng ating chicken. Ngayon, after natin hugasan ang ating chicken, i-chop na natin to. Ngayon guys, ang ating garlic, ginger, and our onion. So let's start with our garlic. Followed by our onion. And chop. Now we will cut our ginger. By the way, in removing the skin of ginger, you can use spoon, but I'm using knife. And then next to it, our parsley. So we will wash it first. I love the smell of parsley actually, guys. Not to mention the benefit, the health benefits of parsley. It's in short, I love parsley. So next to it, our half orange bell pepper. So we have parsley and our orange bell pepper. So we're done. So let's start cooking. Our pan is now heated. We can now add our butter. We'll add our butter. We'll just let our butter to melt and we'll add our sesame oil. Yes. We will just wait for our butter to melt and ready to add our remaining ingredients. Now after melting our butter, ready to add our garlic. And then followed by our onion. Now ready to put our chicken. We'll add our chicken. Now we will let the oil of the chicken to come out before adding our remaining ingredients. Now I will now add the ginger. We will check it again, guys. Wow. Now ready to season with our salt. And pepper. Now we will now add our parsley and our orange bell pepper. Adding also our oyster sauce. Small amount of oyster sauce and a small amount of water. So luto na siya, guys. Ready to transfer. Transfer na natin. Wow! Wow! So guys, try natin tikman ang ating niluto. Bismillah. Sarap. Tamang-tama ang luto ng ating gulay. Sarap. Sarap siya, guys. Tamang-tama din ang luto ng ating manok. Tender and juicy siya. Kaya best sa recipe na to, ang gamitin natin na manok ay thigh at saka leg. Thank you for watching, guys! Hope you enjoyed watching my video. So if you are new to my YouTube channel and you find it interesting, you may like, share, and subscribe along with the notification bell so that you will be updated for more latest videos. And before I end this vlog, guys, I would like to shout out Dri TV, hi Dri TV, and see you again in my next vlog, guys. Peace out!